Floodlight stopped working. Can you take a look? Don't worry, I'll sort it out for you. So let's check if they've got power. No power. Oh, that's probably why it's not working. Guess this call out's turned into an install. Let's get a new one installed. So we checked all options, and the only options we've got is to come off this socket. So let's get the cable out and get it all sorted. First of all, we're going to get all the containment done, and that's all the trunking inside. We're using sticky back MT2 to cover up the twin and earth. Mounted the MT2 and got the cable ran from the socket to the new cupboard. And put in a switch fuse spur inside the cupboard, and then this allows us to fuse down the outside light. I mean, I couldn't have got any more spot on drilling into the inside of the house. Back entry of the fuse spur. Lovely. Let's strip the cables, double over the ends, and get it all second fixed. Now that the inside work's done, we need to go to the wholesalers to grab a few bits. Don't worry, I'll add the diesel onto the invoice. Now we've got the bits from the wholesalers, we've got some conduit bits. We're going to do a stop end box, and then we're going to shoot up to the floodlight. So we're going to drill and fix the stop end box, get the laser out, and mark out our saddles. Doing conduit is a bit like Lego. Piece by piece, build it up, and then it finally gets done. Drill out the fixing holes for the saddles, whack the raw plugs home, and then screw them in. As simple as that. One thing I will say, on the uprights, have the screws facing upwards. Apparently it's something to do with gravity. I don't know whether they were bullshitting me or not. Saddles in place, get the conduit cut, and that is all the containment done and dusted. I mount an IP rated box to put all the connections into, and then we're going to feed the cable up to the box. The cable is in place, we put the box lid on with a rubber gasket of course, and then we mounted the light. But you guys have seen me mount plenty of lights. So live neutral earth, connect it up. Now we're back inside to connect it up to the socket. Trip that, make sure that's isolated, and then we connected it up to the socket, screwed that on, and then turned it back on. Didn't go bang, so that's a good start. Turn the spur on, and then when it was time to test out the light, we test out the light, stand really still and make sure it goes off. Just like that, it turned off, and that's job done. Lovely.